What's up, Razor Squad? I haven't posted in a while because this may seem bad, and I regret it so much. I never got I never Manzo, but I'm back. I told you I would come back, didn't I? No, I didn't. I let you down, maybe. My one subscriber, I let you down. 1 star, 13 views on one of my videos, and I was like, what? Oh man, that's great. You know, I'm a newbie. Yeah, I'm a noob. I am honestly a noob. I'm glad that I got 13 subscribers. That is a very noob commode. Commode. Yeah. But today I'm gonna be showing you people how to make F-150 sound. No, F-150 sound. Supercar sound, whatever you want to call it. I don't care what you call it what you want to call it. You do you, and be a razor. Dab on the haters. I'm sorry. I just take all that back. I shouldn't have. I really shouldn't have. But you know, I did it anyways. I'm sorry, Logan Paul. I just, no one will ever see it anyways. I'm just kidding. Be happy with your life. Don't be so insecure. But sorry, dude. I didn't mean to, I was just feeling it right there, you know? I was feeling it. I'm going to be showing you how to make a supercar F-150 sound. Because who doesn't want to make random car sounds? So, all you need is Coke can. Bend it in half, okay? You bend this Coke can in half. And you take the little top thing off that was on there first. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, sorry, I'm not professional at this. I'm still new, but like I said. Take this thing off of, there it is. This thing. You take it off and you throw it away. So, yeah, bend it, you know. And you fold the tab that was on there at first back, you know. See, hold up. I'm still new. No, I quit. I'm not even going to show y'all. But the tab that's in here, whenever you open it and it pops that thing back, you fold it back all the way to the end. Like, it's not there anymore. It's empty. So then, you want to make a growling sound like, and yeah, the YouTube was like, well, first you gotta you can choose a low car with a very low engine sound and better lock them doors and turn them lights low. I'm just kidding. No, don't do that. But you know, you can lower it and then rise it, basically kind of like the speed rising, stuff like that. You're going to do that in this can because vibration is the key. Be and they got to be touching. But here's the downside. Doing it really makes your throat itch. And you know, you can't just be inside your throat and itch your throat. So you got to take it slow. You might want some water. I didn't drink water because I'm a savage. I'm just kidding. But yeah, you really need water at first because, you know, just to get used to the whole thing. But you know, I didn't. Do not learn from me. But you know, you're watching this and stuff like that, then you probably want to learn how to do it. So, you could be I don't know if that was good or not. But as long as you feel vibration in the can and it sounds right to you, then that's good. Feel vibration in this part or at the bottom, or as long as you feel vibration in the can, you know, then you're good. So I don't think I emptied it all the way. Make sure to do that. Quick tip, nobody wants soda on them. Sorry. Yeah. But, you know, I felt a lot of vibration, like, once I was like, you know, stuff like that. But, like, that vibration that you hear and feel is amazing, and that's what you want all over your life. But I'd rather have Jesus instead all over my life, because that's just the truth, bro. But yeah, you could be like, now, honestly, you could look at other videos, because I may not be doing it right. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm probably like, if I even get any comments on this video, they're gonna be like, not even doing it right. You suck. You know, you drink more water. You don't need to be, you know, just haters. Haters. You know, let them haters do their thing, because haters show that they're jealous of you and you got fame. Let them be them while you be you. You know what I mean? But yeah, it's just like. But yeah, haters are gonna be haters. You're gonna be you. Hopefully, you'll be like, I don't like myself. Oh, sorry. Bang! But no, I'm not gonna joke about that. My cousin actually committed suicide. It's not a topic that I would like to talk about, but I just made a joke about it. And I would like to apologize for that joke. So childish. But, like, legit. I'm sorry for that joke. If you have family members that have committed suicide or have had suicidal thoughts, I'm very sorry, because I know a lot of people who have. Just have a friend who cut himself. He's in alternative school right now. He got caught with something in school. But, like, it's not a laughing matter. And I know I just made a joke about it. Do not learn off of me. Never, ever, ever in your life should you ever learn off of me. I'm a very bad influence. Well, actually, I've been reading the Bible a lot lately. More than I've never read the Bible. But I have read Matthew, the book of Matthew. I've been reading You Are the Light of the World and stuff like that. To all you atheists, I'm sorry if you don't want to hear it and if you don't like Christians. I'm going to talk a lot about God on this channel, just because God keeps me able to post, keeps me on this world, gives me a place to sleep, even though it's not, like, great, because, like, look, it's not the best. It's very messy right now. But Thanksgiving is coming up, and y'all should just be thankful and grateful. But, like, it said, name someone at Three Oaks Middle School you were thankful for, because I go to Three Oaks, bro. Yeah, Dad. I go to Three Oaks. And the worst part about it was I couldn't think of anything. Yes, I'm grateful for my teachers, but I'm not just going to point out one teacher. I mean, if I was going to point out one, it would be Coach East, because he's my coach for football, and as you know, that was me. I'm only kidding. But, like, yeah, I would put him, but I'm really thankful for my friends, because my friends help me get through stuff, and I can't get through stuff. Dab. You know, we were in class. I was just like, you know, they were dabbing and stuff, and I was like, you know what? Let's get litter and dab. You know, but, like, legit. Stay you, be true to who you are. Hang out with the right friends of your choice. If you feel like kids that do drugs and stuff are your friends you can hang out with them, I'd recommend not to, but I'm not going to pick your friend choice. I'm just a 13-year-old boy on YouTube that has 1 subscriber, and I'm very thankful for him, because, you know, that's just the start of a career in this. I know y'all don't want to sit here and listen to me talk, but it's just me. But yeah, if I can grow, I can make merch, and if I can make merch, then I can be me. But yeah, I found out I had a scientific theory based off of me. I'm a simple dude. It was called something like Malcolm Razors, and it was like something that all scientists look forward to. You got one question, and you're thinking all this, like you have so many thoughts, and all of them are complicated, and it's most likely the answer that's the simplest. That's the answer. The one that's the simplest is the answer. That's something scientists go through, and I'm very happy with my last name to be on that, It's like, what? My family's lit, but like, dude got a weird shaped forehead. I'm not gonna lie, he got some weird shape. I may have a weird shaped forehead, but he got some weird shaped forehead. But, I've been in this one place for this whole 11 minutes, able to do stuff. I gotta clean out my sink because he craps a lot. And I would be making gaming videos because who doesn't like to play Fortnite and GTA and all this other stuff? But I gotta find some way to make YouTube videos on the Xbox. Now, I could just prop up a camera and be like, watch me play this. But no, I don't. That's too simple. I'm not a simple man. Well, I see, I'm my middle name's Danger. No, it's not. I only got like $3 in my pocket, man. Because I gave 2 to the girl because she wanted to buy some at break. Gosh, I'm so vulnerable. Don't use that against me, please. But I'm not gonna tell y'all who I like. I'll tell y'all who I like once I get 10 subscribers. Now I'll show you who she is. But once I get 10 subscribers, because that's just the start. And if I can get 5 likes on this video, then I will be good. I'm not going to go for like, let's get 30,000 likes on this video. No, 5. I just want 5. 5. Be happy with 1, actually. But yeah, Jerry West is over here in the corner doing good. Jerry West said what's up to the fam. It's going to be red light. You don't even know. Jerry West. Can you see Jerry West? I may not be able to see Jerry West. It's Jerry West and his pooping self because he poops a lot. But yeah, y'all seen Jerry West. Y'all seen Coke. Full name Cocaine. I don't know why. But I am training to become a minister in the school because people in the school need help. Because I was recently being laughed at, okay? I was being laughed at because I read the Bible. I was reading the Bible during school and they were like, hi, and Marcus is reading the Bible. And then they were telling the other people, like, hi. And I was sitting there in the line waiting for class to start and I just heard him laughing. DeMarcus was reading the Bible and talking all this crap and all this other stuff. But I'm not going to let that bring me down. But yeah, I read the Bible during school and I'm glad. I'm glad. But, I will see y'all later. I'll see you on this adventure. I'll see you. Bye. Wow.